Welcome to your daily meditation to overcome the fear of the future and attract financial prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let the stresses of the day melt away. The fear of the future is something we all face at some point in our lives. Uncertainty can be frightening, but remember that fear is merely an illusion. Narrator, now, visualize yourself confronting your fear of the future. See it as a dark cloud that dissipates as you focus your energy on positivity and prosperity. When you free yourself from fear, you make space for financial prosperity to enter your life. Abundance is a natural flow of the universe, and you deserve all the rewards that life has to offer. Practice gratitude daily. Be thankful for what you already have and for what's yet to come. The more you appreciate the present, the more you'll attract a prosperous future. Take positive financial actions. Plan, save, and invest in your future. Remember that every intentional step you take brings you closer to prosperity. Now, take one more deep breath and open your eyes. Know that the fear of the future has no control over you. You are the master of your destiny, and financial prosperity is on the way. Narrator, if you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity, for more daily meditations, financial tips, and guidance for an abundant life. Remember, the fear of the future does not define you. Prosperity is within your reach. Thank you for meditating with us. Until next time. Namaste.